Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas Runner in Roblox. This festive game typically appears during the holiday season, offering a unique running experience. Players navigate through a winter wonderland, collecting seasonal items and avoiding obstacles. The main objective is to reach the finish line or achieve the highest possible score, often competing with friends. It's a delightful way to celebrate the holidays within the Roblox universe, bringing cheer and challenge to all participants. To access Christmas Runner, first open the Roblox application or website. Use the search bar, usually located at the top of the screen, and type in Christmas Runner. Look for the game with a festive, winter-themed icon, often featuring Santa or a snowy landscape. Click on the game's thumbnail to open its page, then simply press the play button to join the fun. It's a straightforward process, allowing you to jump into the holiday action in just a few moments. Once inside Christmas Runner, your main goal is to run through a snowy course, collecting various holiday-themed items like candy canes, presents, and gingerbread men. You'll need to skillfully jump over gaps, slide under barriers, and dodge moving obstacles to survive. Each collected item often contributes to your score or unlocks special in-game rewards. The game challenges your reflexes and timing, providing a thrilling experience as you strive for a new personal best or compete for the top spot on the leaderboards. To maximize your enjoyment and success in Christmas Runner, practice your timing for jumps and slides. Precision is key. Try to anticipate upcoming obstacles and plan your movements a few seconds ahead. Playing with friends can add an extra layer of fun and friendly competition as you challenge each other's high scores. Also, keep an eye out for any temporary power-ups or special event bonuses that might appear, as these can significantly boost your score and help you overcome difficult sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.